Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will give you the expected cutoff of round 3 or you can say mop-up round of the next top 4 important college under WBJE, that is St. Thomas Engineering College, Kolkata, RCC Institute of Technology, Meghna Saha and Techno International, Newtown. Okay, so I will give you the expected cutoff for the round 3 or mop-up round. So guys, before going to the video, let me tell you something about what will the scenario. So I am giving all the expected cutoff based on the previous year cutoff trend and this year cutoff trend. What was the expected cutoff previous year and what will the other factor. Okay, so us according to all that criteria I am giving the cutoff. Okay, so भाई no one can tell you the exact cutoff of the mop-up round or any round. भाई ये कोई नहीं बता सकता आपको क्या है, but इसके अराउंड मीन्स आसपास अगर आपका राउंड कट ऑफ है देन यू कैन इजीली गेट दिस कॉलेज. ओके, so guys, if you are new here to my channel, don't forget to support my channel by providing such important video, because this type of college review, college comparison, expected cutoff, WBJE mop-up round strategy and all things have already been provided, and coming day also many important video will be provided. So make sure to support my channel guys, because your support motivates me for providing such important video. Okay, क्योंकि आने वाले दिन में बहुत important video आने वाला है about the subjects, about the courses, about the very how to deal with the lab subject, theory subject. तो make sure to support. So बात करते हैं without wasting our time. So St. Thomas Engineering College, Kolkata. What is the expected cutoff for the mop-up round? Okay, so for the BTech CSC, St. Thomas Engineering College, Kolkata, for the CSC, if you are belong to the general candidates, then you have to be under the 9,235. Okay, so if you have cut off around this, then you can easily get into this, and there is a strong chance that you will get CSC. Strong chance. BTech in EC, you can, if you have rank under the 23,289, you can easily get this. For the BTech in electrical engineering, if you have rank under the 64,000, तो वही आपको सेंट थॉमस आराम से मिल जाएगा. For IT, you have to be under the 15,000 rank. Okay, then there is a chance that you can get in the mop-up round. Okay, for the BTech in AI and ML machine learning, the expected cutoff for this is the 24,982. So these are the expected cutoff for the general candidates. For talking for the tier W candidates, so if you belong to tier W candidates, then guys there will be a tough competition for the tier W candidates, because their seats are limited and no candidates want to actually leave their seat. So what is the expected cutoff for the CSC? Previous year cutoff was for the CSC was 4,290. This year strong chance that it goes just up to 4,300 or 4,400 around, and not much more variation will be take place. For BTech in EC, little bit variation, that will be 11,289. For the BTech in electrical engineering, you have to be under the 15,232, and for the BTech in IT, there is a tough competition that you have to be under the 7,600 or 7,700 around. Okay, so BTech in AI and ML, you have to be under the 14,000 rank. So this is the expected cutoff for the tier W candidates. Moving to our next very important college under WBJE, that is the RCC Institute of Technology. So what will the expected cutoff for the RCC Institute of Technology? So now talking about the RCC Institute of Technology, what will the expected cutoff for the round 3? Okay, so if you belong to the general candidates, then you have to be under the 12,500 or you can say up to 13,000. So if you have rank under this, then you can easily get the CSC in this college. For the BTech in EC, you can get this college up to 31,289. For the BTech in IT, you have to be under the 22,332. Again, I am saying that guys, these are the expected cutoff. So if you have rank around this and you are opting for the mop-up round, then you can easily get into this. Okay, and guys, before telling you the another cutoff, let me say you that I have already made a detailed college review of all these colleges, pros and cons, comparison. Okay, and about the what can we say placement statistics. So if you haven't or watched that video, then you can check out that video. That will really helpful for you in choosing this college. Okay, whether I should choose this college or not, so that will helpful for you. So बात करते हैं about the cutoff for the AI. Okay, so BTech in applied electronics and instrumentation engineering. So if you are belong to the general candidate, then you have to be under the 56,000 or up to 57,000. You can easily get into the AI. So this is all the cutoff for the for electrical engineering. I have already said up to 56,000. Then you can easily get this. So this is all the cutoff for the general candidates. For SC candidates, you have to be under the 20,000 rank, and for the CSC, for the EC, there is a tough competition. For the SC candidate, not much more tough condition. You have to be under the 43,000. For the BTech in IT, you have to be under the 32,235. For the BTech in electrical engineering, you have to be under 64,292. For the BTech in applied electronics and instrumentation, you have to be under the 63,435. So this is all the cutoff for the SC candidates. Talking about the very important for the TFW candidates. So for the TFW candidates, you know very well guys that you have must be valid TFW certificate. So what will the expected cutoff for the CSC? For the CSC, there will be tough competition and little bit variation, that you have to be under the 7,400. For the BTech in electronics and communication engineering, you have to be under the safe rank is up to the 12,239 or up to 12,500. For the BTech in IT, you have to be under the 10,000 rank. So you can easily get the RCC Institute of Technology. So guys, this is all the expected cutoff for the RCC Institute of Technology. Let us move to our next very important college under WBJ, that is the Meghnad Saha Institute of Technology. So what will be the expected cutoff for the MSIT, Meghnad Saha Institute of Technology? So guys, talking about the expected cutoff for the Meghnad Saha Institute of Technology. So if you belong to general candidates and want to take the CSC, then you have to be under the 20,100 rank. Okay, means 21,000 you can say. You have to be under this, then you can easily get the CSC, and there will little variation will take for the CSC, because no doubt guys, this is the topmost branch and everyone want the CSC. That's why the little variation will take place. For the BTech in IT, there will be a more cutoff will increase, that is you have to be under the 25,000 or 26,000, you can easily get this. For CSBS you have to be under the 39,000 or you can say 39,500. For BTech in mechanical engineering you have to be under the 64,000. So भाई mechanical engineering के लिए आपको आराम से मिल जाएगा, but I am suggesting that don't take mechanical engineering in this college, because there are other very good options too, such as you can say you can easily get the mechanical engineering topmost college, the Technoman Salt Lake or AOT Haldia. So you can opt for that college rather than this Meghnad Saha Institute of Technology. For BTech in civil engineering, again guys, 65,000 or up to 66,000 you can easily get into this. Similarly for the electrical engineering, I already said that you have to be under 62,000. So these are all the expected cutoff for the Meghnad Saha Institute of Technology general candidates. Okay. Guys, before moving to the video, I am telling you that if you want what are the documents that are required to take the admission in all these colleges, then you can also check out my video, and various important video actually I have already posted, so you can take the help from that. So moving for the next, that is for the TFW candidates. So if you belong to TFW candidate, then what will be the expected cutoff? So for the TFW candidates, if you want to take the BTech in CSC, then you have to be under the 23,800 rank. For the BTech this was the cutoff for the civil engineering. For the BTech in CSC, you have to be under the 8,900 or up to 9,200 rank. For the BTech in electronics and communication engineering, you have to be under the 14,982. For the BTech in IT, you have to be under the 9,635. For the BTech in CSBS, so if you want to take the CSBS guys, then you have to be under the 16,000 rank. अगर आपका rank कहीं 60,000 है, then you can easily get the MSIT, Meghnad Saha Institute of Technology. That was all of the cutoff for the TFW candidates. Moving to our next very important college and demanding college under WBJ, that is basically the group of the Techno India group, and that college name is Techno International New Town. So what will expected cutoff for the Techno International New Town? So guys, talking about the Techno International New Town, what will expected cutoff for the round 3 mop-up round? So if you want to take the CSC, then there will be tough competition. You have to be under the 24,200 rank, and for the BTech, or you can say that this will vary up to 25,000 rank. So if you have under the 25,000, then there's strong chance that you can get this college. For the BTech in CSBS, you have to be under the 49 or up to 50,000, then you can really get the CSBS. But I will suggest you go opt for the other college rather than this college for the CSBS especially. For the BTech in IT, you can get this college up to 36,000 rank. For BTech in electronics and communication engineering, you have to be under the 59,982. For the BTech in applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, you have to be under the 63,000 or up to 64,000. You can easily get this college, no any doubt guys. Going for the applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, what will the expected cutoff? For the applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, you have to be under the 62,835, and similarly for the BTech in civil engineering, you have to be under the 64,000. But guys, if you are planning to take this college for the civil engineering, then don't opt for this college, rather than you can opt other college, you can easily get that. Okay. For BTech in AI, I have already said you have to be under the 52,000, and that is all the expected cutoff. For the civil engineering, you can get up to 66 and 67,000. So that was all the expected cutoff for the general candidates. Now, if you belong to TFW candidates, then what is the expected cutoff? So if you belong to TFW candidates, I think that you are very well aware that you must have a valid TFW quota. You have to be TFW certificates. What is the expected cutoff for TFW candidates? For the CSC, tough competition guys, you have to be under the 11,532. For the BTech in AI and ML, you have to be under 17,232. For the BTech in IT, you have to be under the 15,292. अगर भाई आपका रैंक इसके अकॉर्डिंग है, then you can easily get this Techno International New Town. Okay, and guys, this is little bit costlier college because this is a Techno group college. Okay, so be aware of the fee and all things, and if you are planning to take the admission, then guys, be know the all condition, all things. I have already uploaded the video about the documents and all things required for this college. So talking about the electronics and communication engineering, so if you want to take the EC, then you have to be another 17,892 or up to 18,000, you can easily get into the EC. So this is all the expected cutoff for the Techno International New Town. Guys, one of the important things I want to say that if you are planning to go for the mop-up round, then before going for the mop-up round, let you be clear in the college that if I go for the mop-up round, suppose I have got the new college, okay, suppose I am currently in the New Town or St. Thomas, then I have got the Techno University or some AOT, then whether they refund your fee or not, guys, because मैं already एक video बना चुका हूँ about the scam of this, and actually WBJ is also responsible for these all things. because why many of the college are saying that no, I will not going to refund your fee. So that is not good thing. So before going for the mop around, guys, be clear about these things, okay? Because after getting into the college, then you may face problem that भाई वो लोग आपका फी रिफंड नहीं कर रहे हैं, ओके? एक्चुअली मेनी कॉलेज रिफंड 10% 20% आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग द अमाउंट, वो रिफंड कर देते हैं 80%, बट भाई बहुत सारे कॉलेज करेंगे या मैं नहीं करूँगा, दैट इज नॉट गुड, ओके? सो इफ यू प्लानिंग टू गेट, देन बी श्योर टू दिस ऑल हैव डेटा, ओके? तो गाइस फिलहाल वीडियो में इतना ही था। टिल देन अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा भाई, देन प्लीज सपोर्ट माय चैनल फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग सच इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो। आने वाले दिनों में भाई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो आने वाला है, फ्री कैड अबाउट द आईडी कैसे रन चाहिए आपका, ओके? व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू शुड नोट बिफोर डूइंग कोडिंग, बुक्स टू बी फॉलोड, वेरियस थिंग्स। सो मेक श्योर टू सपोर्ट माय चैनल, क्योंकि भाई आप लोग के लिए बहुत मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, एंड आप लोग को बस लाइक करना और सब्सक्राइब करना और शेयर करना, भाई इतना तो आप कर सकते हैं, आपके लिए इतना मेहनत कर रहा हूँ। सो दैट्स ऑल गाइस, सो टिल देन बाय बाय, मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। जय हिंद।